Latest on Cyclone Mekunu, which is heading towards Oman slowly but surely. At 6 AM Gulf Standard Time, May 24th, it had winds of 90 miles an hour and a pressure of 973 millibars. It's at 13.1 degrees north, 55.4 degrees east, and is moving fairly slowly at this time, which is pushing back that landfall date hour by hour. So here's how it's looking throughout the next few days. We're now anticipating the landfall to occur early on Saturday, as you can see here, and it's quite possible still that the storm will move over Salalah directly as a significant hurricane force storm, possibly of Category 1 intensity, but further intensification cannot be ruled out either. The storm could still get to Category 2 or 3 the way that it's going so far. Here's the picture right now, a severe cyclonic storm according to the Indian Meteorological Department, and it's a stage 4 on a CDPS scale, meaning that major damage is likely. Also, we're not only looking at the winds in this system, it's obviously going to be the rainfall as well, which could be significant in an area that doesn't see significant amounts of rainfall very often. No official warnings in effect, but obviously people are being told to watch out for this and to watch out for those flooding risks, especially as that rain moves inland, as you can see here, and especially near the landfall zone. But all along the coast there you could see significant amounts of rain falling into several inches or possibly even into tens of inches in some areas, which could be several hundred millimeters perhaps in some areas. Chances of storm conditions are indeed very high in Salalah. If it doesn't get hurricane conditions, tropical storm force winds are certainly more likely, almost certain in fact, for the city of over 300,000. Sea surface temperatures look like this, around 29 degrees around the storm's close proximity, and that will remain the case pretty much right up until landfall. Here's what the wind shear looks like right now, still straddling a fine line between high and low wind shear, but it is decreasing ahead of the storm, and moderate to maybe even favourable conditions will start to prevail and may continue until landfall. This is how the storm's been progressing in the last few hours. It's been moving slowly towards the northwest, currently at approximately 6 knots, which is around 8 miles per hour or so, and is continuing towards Oman slowly but surely. But right now you can see Socotra Island there to the west of the storm, probably feeling its fullest effects, or nearly, more than anywhere else on land at least, and even extending the bands of the storm, extending perhaps almost as far as the Horn of Africa and towards Yemen. The rain band, significant rain band, is still just off the coast of Salalah. More to come soon. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com. You can also find our YouTube page. If you haven't subscribed, it might be wise to, as there's more videos on the way, I'm sure, to keep you in the loop. You can also find our Facebook and Twitter platforms, like and follow those pages, search Force 13, all in text. You can also add our Skype account, and you can add Fool 13 on Discord at extension 9094 for tropical weather chat.